Okay, welcome back and well done. You'll have a real idea about the way that your guardian angel either feels to you, or your awareness of your guardian angel, or the way that you want it to be. Whether or not you're aware of your guardian angel, or this is your very first step and completely new to you, thinking about your relationship with your guardian angel is really important because it shapes your path together. Your guardian angel will do whatever you ask them to do, will help you in any way. Your guardian angel cannot interfere with your free will. They cannot make you do anything. So in order for them to help you, it's really important that you communicate with them through your thoughts, or through your spoken words, or through your feelings, the way that you want the relationship to be with them. People find this quite difficult because they don't feel very often as though it's their place. It's like, how can I as a human being tell an angel the way that I want our relationship to be? If you have that issue, no matter how extreme or subtle it might be, it's often very much an issue which is kind of outstanding in your personal life. I love the fact that spiritual development and personal development are so joined. You know, the angels help you to learn through them in an entirely safe way, something which is important in your personal life. So if you're worried about saying to your guardian angel, look, this is the kind of relationship that I'd like with you, this is how I would like to help you, then you need to give some real thought to that, because it cannot become anything unless you work with them, unless you ask them for help. So that's the next thing that I'd recommend you do. Have a think about the relationship that you would like with your guardian angel. I'll give you some examples, okay? So your relationship with your guardian angel, maybe you want them to be with you and greet you and give you a sense of their presence first thing in the morning and last thing at night. Maybe you want them to help you with working with oracle cards every week. Maybe you want your guardian angel to give you some really specific guidance and some help and some input on a particular area of your life, maybe your career or your love life. The way that you develop this relationship is by communicating. And even though to begin with, you may not hear or see or be fully aware in a way that you want to of what your guardian angel is wanting to say to you, this is the way that you begin it. You have to start it before everything that you want is there. And through doing that, through practice, through working in a way that's familiar to you, through becoming relaxed, through becoming more open, you will find that your relationship with your guardian angel will really blossom and really, really grow. So think now about an area of your life or a particular kind of relationship that you would like to have with your guardian angel. Another example, maybe you would like your guardian angel to help you to bring the angels into your life in a professional way. Maybe you'd like to develop yourself in order that you can share the angels with other people. Have a little think about it. It's really important that you know what you want to talk to your guardian angel about, and this is the way that you begin. So take a moment and have a think. Have a think about your relationship with your guardian angel and the way you want it to be. And I'll be here when you come back.